Tremendous cute, tremendous cute, tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Cute. And today, I got an awesome video for you guys that is like all things pork, okay? Now before I go any further, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like so I can bring you more content just like this, all right? So today's video, we're gonna be doing a pork loin stuffed with sausage, wrapped in bacon, and then hit with a little bit of barbecue sauce. This is pork inside of pork, wrapped in pork, all right? Now, I'm super excited about this, so let's just jump right into the video.
All right, and what better way to start a video about all things pork than with my favorite food group, bacon. Bacon. So I'm gonna make a bacon weave, and I'm not making it very long, simply because I only need it to cover my pork loin, and this is about the length of my pork loin. So the trick with bacon, making a bacon weave, is you want to pull down every other strip of bacon and then lay your piece another piece perpendicular, and then fold those pieces back up. And then you're going to alternate on the slices that you didn't pull down the first time. So as you can see, this bacon weave is going to be about 12 by 12, and that's about the size that I would need for my pork loin. All right. Here's a close up. Bacon. Can you smell it? I know. Let me stop. So now that we got the bacon weave made, I'm going to lay this flat, use a piece of saran wrap, and set that to the side so that I can come back and roll the pork loin in it a little bit later. Now it's time to go ahead and stuff our pork loin. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this thing kicked my butt. It took me a legit 10 minutes and an extra tool that to go ahead and get this sausage punched through this pork loin. But I got it. All right. So moving on, we're gonna season our pork loin and then wrap it in the bacon weave that is laying on top of the saran wrap. So you can see, without that saran wrap, it would have been a little bit of a pain. Also, to make sure that the weave stays in place, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with those toothpicks and then put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or two so that it just helps stay firm. All right. Once I put it on the grill, very important, you want to take that saran wrap off. Here's a close-up of what the basically raw product looks like as soon as we put it on the grill. Now, I'm gonna let this thing cook for about 60-ish minutes, 60 to 90 minutes. Basically, I just wanna see that nice mahogany color on the bacon and the golden brown as well. And the toothpicks are gonna turn black, that's fine, that's okay. So now that this thing's been cooking for about 60 to 90 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it. Now, before you do that, you absolutely have to remove your toothpicks. Otherwise, they will poke through your foil and you'll get all that goodness, all that good juice and fat. It'll drip to the bottom of your pit. As we're wrapping it in foil, I am gonna hit it with sauce. This is not something that you have to do, but I personally recommend it. It just helps with the flavor profile. Adding more is always better, especially when you got pork, which can stand on its own with a little bit of bacon. But the sauce adds that sweetness or that tartness to the pork loin that it just turned out really well. So I'm gonna put this back on for another about 2 hours-ish, and then let's take it off and get it inside. Now you can see as I'm unwrapping this thing, it is full of juice. I mean, I was shocked. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. As I'm cutting this thing open, just a real quick tip for everybody, make sure you have an incredibly sharp knife. The bacon weave is attached to the pork loin, but still, if you don't have a sharp knife, you can really ruin a lot of all your hard work with a knife that essentially is just gonna tear that bacon weave up. And check out that juice. Wait, let's see that again. So look at the juice on this pork loin. It is incredible. You can see it all just falling out there on the cutting board. I was really impressed with how well this thing turned out. The bacon weave stayed on, the sausage on the inside. This thing was just packed with flavor, and you can see all the moisture that is coming through. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button so I can bring you more content. If you've done something like this before, leave a comment in the section below and I'll get back to you, all right? See you later. Peace.